flash is fucking bright, but I'm so lazy to turn on the lights and open the curtains because I'm so fucking tired because I just woke up. As you can see in here, my voice is nasty. I'm just gonna close my eyes while I talk because like I'm just so fucking tired. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog today because I think today will be a very eventful day. I've been wanting to vlog like for a long time because I think like it'll push me to do more interesting things in my life because like I'm always so lazy and tired and unmotivated to do things. Like I wish I could just like stay in bed the whole day and sleep and use my phone and watch videos and just be like rot away. So yeah, this is me with my eyes closed and my morning breath on point. Oh my god, I can smell it. I fucking hate it. And like my morning voice, it's pretty sexy, I feel. What if like, it's because I'm using my phone, I don't know if like I'm in like the shot. So what if the whole time I was talking was like pointing somewhere else or something? That would be so funny. But yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I woke up like 30 minutes ago and I've just been in like bed. I went to pee actually. Yeah, I was actually planning to do like gotta go pee, BRB or something, but I decided I should just be honest. Like yeah, I already woke up 30 minutes ago and I went to the toilet to pee and I came back and like started vlogging. So yeah, I'm gonna go make breakfast now. So I just went to the gym and I didn't film any of that because I'm lazy and I didn't think I needed to. But yeah, so like I squeezed in a quick cardio and then I went to shower and then I used this and this and this. Okay, I'll link all of that in the description. And I put on some sunblock and I put my contacts on. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I hope I'm in the frame. So first, I brush it out like this. And then I fill it in with the color taupe. This is my most natural brow look. So I just like fill it in. Kind of add a little bit more shape. And then I just blend it out like this. And then the other side. Cause like my brow hair here is a lot less dense than here, so usually I would like go in with a darker pencil, like a black one, and draw in some hairs. But my skin is a little oily because of the moisturizers and the sunscreen, so I'm just gonna skip that today. It's like honestly doesn't make that much of a difference, and it will look weirder if like I draw in too much and if my eyebrows look too perfect. I mean, yeah, I'm always striving for perfect eyebrows, but the more you do your eyebrows, the less natural it looks. And then I use this. This is so fucking good. It's the 24-hour brow setter and it's exactly what it says. It sets your eyebrows for 24 hours. It feels like fucking hairspray for your hair gel for your eyebrows, but for your eyebrows. So I just like coat it like this. And then I use the long part to brush it out. Actually no, I use the short ones first because that really separates the hair. Like this. And then the other side, I use the other side of the brush because there's more product. Like this. Just still some product on this side. And just brush it out.
My nose is so runny because I think I'm falling sick. And like, I think there's a little bit of pigment in this product because my eyebrow just look like my brow hairs just look a lot darker. You can see. Maybe because it's wet from the gel, but like it stays like that for the rest of the day. Like so. And I just like kind of rough it up because I like that. And then I use this part again to kind of like make it less clumped. I mean, clumped is not bad because it kind of like makes your brow hair like very obvious. But I don't know. I like my shit, like my shit. I like my makeup or anything to not look like makeup at all because I really like, on me, I really don't like that like cake or like that really done in look. Those are for photo shoots, not for outside. Yeah, I think like this is perfect. I want to do a little bit more, but I should stop before it goes overboard.
And then I'm gonna do my lips. I don't know what I'm doing yet for it. I'm thinking of going like a... Oh yeah, right. I'm also doing my face, like my blush. It's so important. Blush is so important. I always use NARS. Okay, the packaging is like fucked because of the humidity in Singapore. But it's like, okay, and this. And maybe a little highlighter, I don't know. But like, because I don't want the blush to be too shiny, because Orgasm can get really shiny. I use this kind of to make it more pigmented without making it too shiny. Just gonna like do it, make it very subtle. Okay, I think I'm gonna like go in with it like this. If I swipe, it gets way too dark. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I don't know, it's just a lot of effort to blend it in. So I just use this brush. You can use a sponge as well. I think sponging, like using a sponge is better. But like, this is for like placement, I guess. It's like more precise. Because with a sponge, you just like blend it without much thinking. And I use this Skin Food Puff. It's already used, but I don't give a fuck. I know, it's kind of gross, but whatever. Like, can you see that cut? And like, it makes it so glowy because it's like a cream product. And then I just like kind of move up a little bit. Because like, my original skin color is so pale and then I'm like tanned. So I'm trying to like hide that a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, but not too much. I think that's good. And then just do that again here. Yeah. And just blend it.
So, can you see that pimple? Bring it up. And just like kind of like make sure it's not patchy. This is like good for that. And I think I can add just a slight bit more. Just kind of like that. Do not use a brush.
Okay, that might be a little too dark. A little bit more. Okay. Doesn't have to be like perfect. I have to tell myself that. Go in with this. It's like a mini thing. I just go in with Laguna because I like to be a little more like kind of like set it, you know, like set it with the contour color.
The key is to try and make it not muddy. But like it's okay because I'm gonna sweat it off later. Okay, now I'll go in with the blush first and go over with Orgasm to set. So I use like this much. And then I just kind of like dab and swipe just to like test out the pigment because I always forget how pigmented these brushes can be. I like my cheeks to be very red because it just makes me look so cute. Dab, swipe.
I like put some on my eyes. on the nose. Okay, I think that's good enough because there's also pigment in orgasm, so I'm going in with orgasm and then just go ham because I love this color. Put it like on top for that highlight. I don't know if you can see it.
Put some on my eyes. And then go in again. Lay it on.
When I put my blush, like my under eye circles just kind of disappears. Not really disappear, but more like the pinkness of my blush like kind of distracts the attention from the under eyes, as you can see. Okay, I'm done. Oh wait, right, my lips. I'll probably use like orgasm, like the lipstick. I have a small one. Yep, so this is my finished look. I just need to spray a little bit of setting spray. This is YSL one because my Urban Decay one ran out, and this is pretty, like the mist of it is nice. Like okay, well, I'm just gonna go now because I think I'm late. Bye. We're going to the beach. I hope we're in frame, but we're going to the beach. Going to Tanjong Beach Club, the place that I always go to get free food and to chill on the beach. Yay! But before that we have to go for this VR treasure hunt escape thing. I think it's gonna be fun. AR? AR. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. A bit tired, but it's gonna be fun. Yeah! What year is that?
But you know how it looks like. You know how it looks like.
Why is it a thing?
I don't know, after they don't know whether you're a basketball player. After the basketball game, they will take it.
Should we use that? I'll be sure.
This one's going right, left, right.
Okay, yeah.
I already recorded. What are you doing?
I'm okay now. It's turning into a club. Okay, I don't know.
Right, we'll call this one maybe. I couldn't wait.
So we're on the way to get
Tour guide
acai.
today.
And she's a tour guide.
Yeah,
Her
so everybody follow.
Australian flag. Follow. Look at his face, so ugly. It's so pretty.
This is girl love, girl support.
Yes, girl power.
I
that's
have
right.
underwear that says girl power.
Oh really? That's
Yeah.
hot.
Same as Casey, body together.
What?
Yeah,
Why am
we
I
were
not in
supposed to
it?
wear it.
Why am I not in it?
A show so we can take a picture, but
Like while you're changing?
unfortunately I got my period, so I can't.
I mean, that's what a tampon is for.
Not my thing. Please do not post that.
Yeah, I'll put it on.
Keep it for your personal collection.
Yes, I will. Hey guys, so it's currently 10:40 p.m. and I just got home and I showered and skincare and everything. I'm so ready for bed. Yeah, today was a really awesome day. I feel like really fulfilled and like, yeah, because I met so many people who I haven't seen in a while. And like, I don't know, there was just so many hugs today. So I'm really happy about that. And I got to like stay in the soak up the seawater, and it's just so like nice. And I think I'll vlog more because I want to document like as much as I can what I'm doing right now, because I think my job right now is so it's just something I want to remember for the rest of my life and look back on and like smile when I watch the videos, because yeah, I've been watching like the videos while I was editing, and like all the videos of this video, like the clips of this video in this video, like just so blissful. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now. So thanks for watching, and I hope you will watch my other videos. Two more videos in the future to come. Yeah. Peace.